Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For pancakes we need 1 egg, a 1/4 cup sugar, a 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 pinch vanilla sugar. Please ignore the light, only focus on fantastic recipe. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients. Make a fine batter. Heat the pan and wipe with oily kitchen paper. Now put a 1/4 cup of pancakes batter. Cook on low to medium flame. Wait for bursting of all bubbles. Now flipped and cook for 1 minute more. Make all pancakes from this method. Enhance the flavor with butter and maple syrup. Enjoy with tea. If you like the recipe, please comment below. Thanks for watching.